Hi folks, so this is a quick tutorial on how to add read time calculator to your blog posts. So we're going to go over to the demo blog on this site here. Let's start with this one over here. As you can see, just the default blog post, there's no read time or anything. So first step we are going to do is we're going to go to pages. I already have this set up, but you can just add a link in your not linked area. It's the quickest way to do uploads. Select the cog. From URL, you change it to file, and we upload our file. So it's this one here. Ooh, sorry, double clicked out. It is this file here. It's called Squareskills blog post readtime.js. If it's showing up like that, you're good to go. You can save. You can actually just close it, and it's fine. From here, nothing's happening, even if I refresh the page, and that's because we need to go to the next step. Now, I'm just going to install this site-wide, but you can, if you would like, select the cog on your blog. If you only want it to apply to one blog, go to Advanced, and you can actually add it in either the page header or the blog item code injection. Doesn't really matter. It'll just make it run on all posts within that specific blog. I'm going to go instead, though, to Website Tools, Code Injection, and I'm going to install it site-wide. So the first step is we need the config. So I'm going to copy that, paste it. Default is 225 words per minute, pretty standard speed. We're going to include content from plugins, and it's going to read time, however many minutes, mins, and it's going to come here before the title. And yeah, that's all. We don't need any more of the advanced customizations or anything. From there, we are also going to, as you can see, nothing's happening yet, and that's because we need to actually load the script. So the next part underneath is this. Make sure it's calling the correct JavaScript, and as you can see, it's already showing the read time. I've actually got a little bit of extra code in that's putting it before the title, but as you can see, loads pretty quickly. On mobile, looks fine. And let's test this. So this is a short blog post. I've already gone ahead on this blog post here and just copied and pasted the text a dozen times. And as you can see, it's calculated a different read time. If, for example, I say someone can read 500 words per minute, it'll now adjust that read time. Let's say they can only read 50 words per minute. It'll then adjust the read time again. And that's it.